Hey guys, it's Joseph here with a new sample footage video for you. I know a lot of you have been excited for the new Blackvue models, and they're literally right around the corner, launching next week on the 6th. So I'm here today to show you the sample footage for their latest 4K dashcam, the DR970X-2 channel. In the coming weeks, we're going to have an in-depth review coming out for you, so watch out to learn more about the new features on the Blackvue DR970X-2 channel. Now let's start off with some daytime footage. The all-new DR970X-2 channel is fitted with the same image sensor and lens as the DR900X-2 channel Plus. So if you're wondering what the new upgrades are, well, the DR970X is now equipped with a Sigma Star CPU and a new image processor with ISP tuning. This provides better white balance, dynamic range, and video contrast in bright light conditions. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to show your support and stay up to date on everything Blackvue. Say hi to the front camera of the Blackvue DR970X-2 channel because it offers 4K QHD at 30 frames per second, maximized with its 155-degree field of view. This dashcam provides the widest angle compared to other 4K dashcams that we offer, like the Viofo A129 Pro and the Thinkware U1000. Ensuring sharp video resolution, the DR970X-2 channel comes with an 8-megapixel CMOS image sensor. If you have watched our sample footage video for the Blackvue DR900X Plus, you might notice that the DR970X-2 channel is not as sharp as the DR900X. But take note that this sample footage for the DR970X was shot around late afternoon, with the sun almost setting, so the surroundings outdoors are less vibrantly colored. Blackvue is planning to release a revamp of their Blackvue app, along with a number of other firmware updates in the near future. So we do expect the video quality to get even better and sharper. Now let's move on to the rear. To clearly capture the traffic behind you, this is a full HD at 30 frames per second resolution with a 2.1 megapixel Sony Starvis sensor, providing a field of view of up to 139 degrees. To note, this is the same rear camera from the DR900X-2 channel. Now for its recording modes, the DR970X-2 channel is equipped with Blackvue's intelligent parking mode that includes impact and motion detection, buffered recording, plus time-lapse. With these, you can guarantee that your car will be protected at all times. Moving on to the nighttime footage, in our opinion, the DR970X-2 channel is noticeably sharper than the nighttime footage from the DR900X Plus. Its new processor and tuning allows you to record clear and balanced video in tough-to-capture environments like nighttime, underground parking lots, and tunnels, automatically tuning color and clarity for optimal viewing quality. This is definitely one of the bigger improvements that we've seen coming out of the DR970X-2 channel. And last but not least, let's take a look at some nighttime rear footage. 4K UHD video resolution with an upgraded image processor. With the Blackvue DR970X's highly enhanced image quality, you can clearly capture more details such as road signs and license plates, which can be used as evidence in unfortunate incidents. What's even better is you can capture what's happening for both the front and rear, providing you with the bumper-to-bumper peace of mind that you need when you're driving or leaving your car parked. And if you want to access your dashcam's footage, you can use your Android, iOS, Mac, or Windows device through the Blackvue app and viewer. The Blackvue DR970X-2 channel is also compatible with the CM100G LTE module. So aside from instantly connecting you to the Blackvue cloud that's best for its real-time notifications, two-way communication, auto upload, and more, it can also transform your Blackvue DR970X dashcam as a Wi-Fi router, enabling you plus your passengers to connect up to 5 devices. If you guys didn't know, Blackvue is also planning on releasing a revamped version of the Blackvue app very soon. That's been rebuilt from the ground up. We, for one, are very excited to check out all the new features that they'll be bringing to the Blackvue devices. And that's it. The features I mentioned today are just a few of the bunch Blackvue has sported to the DR970X-2 channel. And we have way more to cover in our upcoming in-depth review in the coming weeks. Stay tuned for more, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button on your way out. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments below. And if you're planning on getting one from us, use code BBMCTube at checkout and get 5% off your next dashcam. Check you guys later.